Hello there, welcome back to another new video. So if you have a 2000 Ford Explorer and you want to know what your engine oil pump look like, this is a pump for it. It's a brand new pump. So you can see it's Mark Ford, fit 4.0L liter. So I'm going to show you what the pump look like. Okay, so this is what the pump look like if you don't have an idea what this look like. So this is for the 2000 Ford Explorer. Right here, of the hole that feed. Those are 2 bolts hole right here. Here go another 3 bolt hole right here also on the feed. So this is what your pump look like if you don't have an idea. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.